Nigeria from the Niger Company. And then, gradually over the years, British protectorates were established throughout the territory. In 1914, the protectorates were amalgamated into one Nigeria.
Our own dear motherland. Today, we are 1 year closer to the dreams fought for by our heroes past. May our flag remain a symbol that truth and justice must reign. O God of all creation, grant this our one request. Help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed, and so, with peace and plenty, Nigeria may be blessed.
When we hear the world crying out, we may receive the inspiration to deal with these intractable problems and be able really to devote all our resources to the advancement of mankind.